Welcome back to Saas Pro, the channel where we unlock the most powerful tools in tech and AI to make your workflow smarter. Today we're diving into 7 character AI features on PC that change everything. A full breakdown of the features that completely redefine your experience with character AI. Now let's get started on the last. Number 1. Enable dark mode. Appearance setting. Turning on dark mode isn't just about style. It reduces eye strain, saves energy, and makes long conversations in character AI easier on your eyes, especially during late-night sessions. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your character.ai account using your desktop or mobile browser. This ensures you can access all customization settings tied to your profile. Step 2. Click on your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the page to open your account options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the customization area for your character AI interface. Step 4. In the Settings menu, look for the Preferences or Appearance tab. This is where all visual options, including dark mode, are found. Step 5. Finally, click to dark mode to activate it. Instantly, your interface switches to a sleek, eye-friendly dark theme that's perfect for focused, distraction-free chatting. Number 2. View character creation definitions. Viewing a character's definition on the desktop version of Character AI gives you full insight into how the character was built, their traits, backstory, and creator's intent. It helps you understand their personality and engage more authentically in conversations. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to character.ai. Make sure you're signed into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Once you're on the home page, click the search icon at the top of the screen. Type the name of the character you want to view and press Enter. Step 3. From the search results, select the character you're interested in. This will open their main chat interface. Step 4. At the top of the chat window, click the character's name or avatar. This will open the character's full profile page. Step 5. On the profile page, you can see the character's definition and description. Here you'll see their name, avatar, background story, and personality summary. Step 6. Scroll through the page to find additional sections like example chats, suggested starters, and interaction notes that help you understand how to talk with that character. Number 3. Start a conversation with voice. Input. Using voice input in Character AI transforms your chats into natural, real-time conversations. It adds emotion, tone, and spontaneity, making every interaction feel more lifelike and immersive. This feature helps you connect with your characters on a deeper, more human level. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Character AI on your PC and select the character you want to talk to. For example, if you want to chat with a specific character, just click on their profile. Step 2. Once inside the chat window, look for the option that says Call or Voice Chat. This feature allows you to start a live conversation using your microphone. Step 3. When prompted, grant Character AI permission to use your microphone. Without this, the voice chat won't activate. Step 4. After enabling it, start speaking. Your character will respond with their own voice or text, depending on your chosen settings. Step 5. When the call ends, you'll see a short summary of your conversation. If you'd rather keep things private, you can easily delete the chat history afterward. Number 4. Adjust text size preferences. Changing your text size in Character AI makes conversations easier to read and more expressive. It's a simple way to improve clarity, accessibility, and overall chat experience. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Character AI app on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials to sign in. Step 2. From your chat list, select the character you want to talk to and open their chat window. This is where you'll adjust your text size. Step 3. To make your text larger, type a hashtag symbol, followed by a space before your message. For example, hi will display bigger text. Step 4. If you want a slightly smaller text size, simply add more hashtags before the space like hi to reduce the size slightly. Step 5. Hit the send icon on the right side to send your message and see your adjusted text size instantly. By using Markdown formatting this way, you can easily control how your words appear and make every chat more dynamic and readable. Number 5, rate bot replies for training. Rating bot replies helps refine how AI characters communicate, ensuring future conversations feel more natural, accurate, and true to their personalities. It's a small action that creates a big difference in training the system. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Character AI on your PC and start chatting with any character. Wait for the bot to send a reply you'd like to rate. Step 2. Hover your cursor over the bot's message. Thumbs up and thumbs down icons will appear at the lower right corner of the message bubble. Step 3. Click thumbs up if the reply feels accurate, engaging, or true to the character's personality. Step 4. Click thumbs down if the response seems off-topic, repetitive, or doesn't match the character's tone or behavior. Step 5. Add a comment in the feedback box. Your detailed input helps improve how future replies are generated and fine-tuned. Number 6. Edit your own user persona. Personalizing your user persona lets you shape how AI characters perceive you, enhancing interactions and making conversations feel more tailored and engaging. It's a small tweak with a big impact on your overall experience. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your character AI account to access your profile and settings. Step 2. Click your profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen to open the menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Public Profile or a similar option to access your persona settings. Step 4. Find the section labeled Persona or Persona and Bio, where you can make edits. Step 5. Edit your details, including your display name, bio, personality traits, and any optional custom prompts that influence how AI characters interact with you. Step 6. Save your changes by clicking Save or Update to ensure your new persona settings are applied. Number 7. Change the chat style setting. Customizing your chat style lets you shape how conversations feel. Whether you want a modern default tone, a classic look, or a more distinct style, it enhances your overall character AI experience and personal comfort. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner of your character AI screen. This opens your main account menu where all customization options are found. Step 2. Go to Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find various controls for your account and interface. Step 3. Select Preferences within the Settings menu. This section holds options for visual and interaction preferences. Step 4. Find the chat style option. You'll see it's usually set to default, but you can switch it to classic or defense depending on your desired look and tone. Step 5. Choose your preferred style and confirm your selection. If you ever want to return to the default setup, simply select Default again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful character AI tutorials.